Tap an already active tool and you'll find two pencils in the basic tools section, a soft and a hard pencil. These two tools were created using real pencil textures and react to tilt, pressure, and velocity. Note that for all the dynamics of these brushes to work, you'll need to use a stylus with pressure and tilt support. The difference is subtle, but you'll notice the soft pencil makes a darker mark, kind of like what you'd get with, say, a B2 or B3 pencil hardness. The hard pencil leaves a slightly softer and lighter mark, something like an HB hardness. You can further control this by adjusting the opacity of the brush. You can see that with 70% opacity, the hard pencil looks more like an H2 pencil. To control the sharpness of your pencil, simply adjust the brush size. With automatic layering enabled, both tools live in the pencil layer. You can easily adjust the darkness of your sketch by duplicating the layer as pencils build up, the more you lay them on top of each other. For highlights, you can use the soft and hard masks as usual, or the destructive slice tool. Alternatively, you can use the color picker to select the paper color and use that as a highlighter instead. You'll need to turn alpha off from the bottom menu in order to include the background color. I like to create a separate layer for highlights, so I can adjust them more easily later on by selecting everything at once via the layer menu. Of course, pencils can be used with different colors as well.